Why would I ever clean my dryer vent? Well, there's two reasons. One, to prevent a fire. The other one, to dry your clothes faster and have less premature wear on your clothing and on your dryer itself. Let's find out a good reason why we might clean it. Okay, that's a good reason. Whoa! That was just after the first reaming. Now we're going to go for it for the thorough cleaning for the second time.
Oh my gosh! Wait, here it comes. There's some more. Ah, look at all this. Here it comes. Oh my gosh, look at all that. Man.
Now it's nice and clean. Here's everything that came out.